Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the Samsung Dryer TC error code on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This pesky code can be a real headache, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get your dryer back up and running quickly. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the TC error code? In Samsung dryers from 2025, TC typically stands for a thermal control issue. This means your dryer might be detecting an overheating problem or a malfunction in the temperature sensor. It's a safety feature designed to prevent fires or damage, so it's nothing to ignore, but it's often fixable at home. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One of the biggest culprits is lint buildup in the vents or exhaust system, which restricts airflow and causes the dryer to overheat. Another possibility is a faulty thermostat or heating element that's not regulating temperature properly. In some cases, it could even be due to a blocked moisture sensor or issues with the dryer's wiring. So, how do you troubleshoot this? Start by unplugging your dryer for at least 5 minutes to reset the system. This simple step resolves the issue about 30% of the time. Once it's reset, check the lint filter and clean it thoroughly. Next, inspect the vent hose for any blockages. Use a vacuum or a brush to clear out dust and debris. If you're comfortable, you can also test the thermostat with a multimeter, but if you're not handy with tools, skip this and move on. If these steps don't work, it might be time to call in a professional. They can diagnose if you need to replace parts like the thermal fuse or the control board. Remember, always prioritize safety, never attempt repairs on a live appliance. To prevent the TC error in the future, make it a habit to clean your lint filter after every load and have your vents professionally inspected once a year. That's it for today. I hope this helped you fix your Samsung dryer. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.